Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in this left section to find about tablet. Now we have to enter software information in order to find the build number, because this is the option which will allow us to activate the developer options, and there we've got the proper option to activate the automatic system updates. So here we have to keep tapping on the build number in order to activate the developer options. If you've got any sort of the screen lock, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And here we've got the developer mode, as you can see. So now we can switch, to the left section and swipe to find developer options. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize, but all we need to find is the option Auto Update System. So here all we have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which basically means that your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted, so you do not really need to do anything manually. Just remember about the restarting. And of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.